Hi Jennifer, my name's Joe Johnson. I'm in sales here at Taylor & Sons Chevrolet. I'd like to show you the 2011 Malibu. You can see in the front, it's silver in color, nice looking car. Green halo ring headlights up front and fog lights. So it's equipped nice being an LTZ. Bose stereo inside. Heated leather seating, all power. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel with Bluetooth controls, stereo controls, and cruise control right on the wheel. Nice stereo, auxiliary port, and a USB port. Automatic temperature control. OnStar. It's got the sunroof. Cup holders, a lot of room in the console storage. Nice big back seat. It does have a household power outlet in the back, 3-prong, so if you want to plug your computer in, you certainly can. Huge spacious trunk. And the back seats will fold down in this car, so if you need more room, you got it. Another feature I like on the LTZ is the remote start. So you, for the most part, never have to get into an uncomfortable car. So you can see it's a nice, clean car, good tires, definitely ready to go. I'll get this sent to you, and then would you do me a favor and call me when you get it, and we can talk about the car. Number here is 208-263-2138 or 1-800-866-2138. And again, my name's Joe. Thanks, Jennifer.